Serikali ya Makueni inashirikiana na bima ya afya ya umma ya SHA kusimamia huduma za matibabu bila malipo kwa watu wa familia 11,000 katika mpango utakaogharimu shilingi milioni 90. Walengwa katika mpango huo ni wale wasiojiweza katika jamii, na kadi maalum watakaopewa serikali hiyo itakuwa imeunganishwa na bima ya SHA ili kuwawezesha kupata huduma zote za SHA katika hospitali za Makueni na zile za nje ya Makueni.
Because we are dependent on the proxy means testing, the budgets that we have, we expect to cover about 11,000 households out of the 250 households. But we are put within our budgets going forward in the next financial year to have that number to 18,000 households. And see how we continue to grow that number progressively.
The residents of Makueni have not been subjected to means testing, and that is the exercise we are currently doing. So instead of us waiting until we carry out a means testing for everybody, we allocated a budget that we can begin with, and that is the 90 million that we have started. So in the process, the exercise that is currently ongoing that has started today will be able to carry out that program of ensuring everybody has been checked so that we are able to know how many dependents we have in Makueni. So in the subsequent budget, and I know this will go to the people of Makueni, they will be able to know how many people are eligible for that program.